Hey guys, okay, so I just got this eyeshadow palette in. I know it's not new, but it's new to me. I ordered it off Anastasia Beverly Hills website, so this is what it looks like. It's super pretty, but it's the soft glam palette, so I'm gonna do this little look really quick, and yeah. So let's get into it. I'm back. I had to prime my eye, I almost forgot. So I'm gonna take that burnt orange and sienna little mixture and just right on the outer kind of corner, just gonna tap it on. Right to like a little V shape. Lord. Then I'm gonna go right to the middle. I'm just tapping that on. Alright. Take a little blending brush and just like hold it at the very end because it'll put a lot less pressure on your brush and it'll make it a lot easier to blend it out. I'm also filming in my bedroom right now because I turned a little beauty room into a studio so I can do pictures. So yeah. Anyways, but so you can see just really light little motions. So yeah. Anyways, now I'm gonna go and pick up Cypress Umber. I really need to start looking right there. So the Cypress Umber, I'm just gonna lightly tap that on. I feel like maybe I should just do this as a voiceover because I can't speak. Okay, seeing that. Alrighty guys, so this is what I ended up doing with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I did just get it in the mail today, so I was super excited to play with it. I also got the Carly Bible palette, so I will have to go ahead and film something hopefully tomorrow using that. But anyway, so yeah, this is my super pretty, just soft look with the Soft Glam palette. So I'm gonna get off of here because I'm pretty sure my daughter is destroying the living room right now. So anyways, thanks for watching and hopefully I will see you in the next one.